This is called the attitude adjustment here.
I definitely need one.
You definitely. Don't we all?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So I'm gonna lift up here, Taylor. Just let your head fall back. How we doing right there? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Go to your happy place. Remember, we've talked about this. Good. Just let those shoulders really melt back.
Oh.
Oh my. Yeah, that was a nice one. That was deep. That was for not doing your neck wedge for the last 2 weeks.
I felt that.
That was a good pop.
It
That was.
felt incredible.
Was that all below the skull?
Mm-hmm. And it's where I've been feeling so much pressure.
Good. Good. How your headaches and stuff been?
Good, sorry.
What? Yeah, where am I? Yeah. Who? All right. We're going to lift that skull right off your brain, okay?
That's
Awesome.
Yes.
That sounds nice.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Start the new year off right, okay?
Okay.
There we go. Hello.
Hello?
So knock that brainstem in order. This machine is so important at getting that curve back. Taylor here was on the right track for a while, and then she overdid it one day.
I did.
Yeah.
Don't Google symptoms.
Don't Google numbness and tingling in the brain. Bad news.